everybody. Today I wanted to do possibly my last maintenance talk. I want to talk a little about tire wear. The number one expense to a company, to a driver, to an owner-operator on a normal basis is your tires. Tires are very expensive anymore. Always have been, but even more so, and even harder to find these days. So best thing we can do is take care of them. I want to talk a little bit about air pressure and tire wear and what the effect is on those tires. Maintaining air pressure, and these go up and down, and I have drivers that say, well, I go to the Loves and they test my tires. Well, shame on you. You've got somebody that has to air your tire for you. They're probably also going to tell you it's bad and you need to buy a new one. So let's rely on ourselves. We're big boys and girls, and we got jobs to do. The weather changes, but it's cold in the morning, hot in the afternoon, cold at night. Tires do lose air. They do seep air just sitting there. They're breathable. So don't do it once a week. Do it every day when you do. You pre-trip, because it doesn't take long to wear a tire, and they're very expensive. You want to keep your tires within 5 psi of each other. You run your drive tires at 105 pounds. The lowest you want to go is 100 on the other one. So that means a lot. And really, what it's doing is it's spreading out the amount of tire that's hitting the ground. If you have a tire that's aired up real high, it kind of bows in the center. You've got less tread hitting the ground. It's going to wear that out quicker. It's going to have less ability to grip in the corners. So keep an eye on them. Keep them and tread depth is the other thing. You don't want to have a big difference in an inside tire and an outside tire, or vice versa. A 1/4 inch or 4/32 is as much as you want to vary. If you wear a tire out or blow a tire out on the road and you go somewhere and they don't have a match, and you're going to buy a used tire or maybe a new tire, but it's a different diameter, you don't want to let that vary more than 4/32, because you're gonna create what they call breaking. So anytime you have even one rib in a tire, and you see that tire and you say, well, how come my second rib is wearing down? And you think, I'll just run that out. It'll catch itself up. No, it's going to get worse. So what you have is different diameters along the depth of the tread of that tire. And the one that's slower is gonna rotate at a different speed, and it actually acts like a brake. And if you have an inside tire and outside tire that's different size than the other one, that smaller tire is gonna act as a brake. So it's gonna wear out really quick. So the important thing to remember, you need to match your tires, and you need to air your tires, and you need to keep them within 5 pounds of each other, or you're going to create tire failures. And like I said, it's the number one expense on a day-to-day basis of maintenance that a company or a driver will come across. So keep that in mind. A lot of you guys or girls are doing lease purchase or owner-operators, and that's part of staying in business, is to, you're going to spend money, but you want to spend money in the right places. You don't want to waste money. You're not getting anything out of it. So air your tires, check them every day, check your tread depths, make sure they're matched up. You can always rotate your tires and put the proper diameters next to each other. So keep that in mind. They don't get better, they get worse. So it's another maintenance toolbox lesson at Christenson, and as always, thanks for watching. We're the trucker's truck, and be safe.